Goodbye, Arthur. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, Jackson. Goodbye. I just had to drink so much fucking water. I do that every time. I thought I was gonna drink water on the subway. I did not. I need to put all my shit away. I took out my laptop, put my shoes on. A mess. I'm a mess. Kinda cool. I just ate. But yeah, LaGuardia Airport is kind of nice. I'm pissed because the Sapphire Lounge, you know, I had the Sapphire Preferred. I tried to finagle my way into getting more points or whatever. Anyways, when I tried to upgrade, I messed up. So I don't have the Sapphire Reserve, and I just have like the normal plain Freedom card, so I can't access that lounge because it's new. Yeah, so I'm upset about that, but it is what it is. Got a layover in the New Orleans airport, and while I was looking for food, I found Café du Monde. So I'm gonna get myself some beignets because they're really fucking good. Just landed in Austin. Now I'm waiting for my sister to pick me up. But one thing that's upsetting on planes is when people behind you, once the plane lands, they like rush to like get out and they don't wait their turn in line to like exit the plane. I think that shit's so fucking annoying. But it is what it is. What's up, G?
Hello. Make sure it's in all the
What's up? I just got home and I'm really tired and I have a ton of laundry to do. But yeah, that's it for today. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up.